What is up? I am back. I am Burns here. And why are we near a microwave? Well, I could tell you, we're going to make a brand new series called Do Not Microwave. And today's Do Not Microwave is, what is going to be crazy to microwave? Let's find out right now. Mike and Ikes. Let's get started. Okay, first of all you want to do is get your bowl, then get your Mike and Ikes box, open it up, and pour the Mike and Ikes. That should be good enough. That's almost the whole box. Okay, let's get to the microwaving part. Okay, now we are going to put it in. We'll put the Mike and Ikes in there. And now we close it up. Get the timer. That's what time it is right now. Put it for like 2 minutes. Okay, now we just wait. I'll see you once we're almost finished. Okay, we're not almost finished yet, but I'm going to add this Warhead pucker pack thing into there. This thing, the candy part, but I'm not going to put the stick in. I've had this for a while, so yeah, it might be good to put it in. This is how much time we have left. I'll see you when we reach the 5-second mark. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my God. What the heck has happened to the Mike and Ikes? Oh my God. You see that? Oh my God. Okay, we're gonna add the Warhead stuff in. Oh, it's the dipping powder, that's what it is. Okay, let's now put the dipping powder in, see what happens to it. Let's see if it eats it. Whoa. Oh my God. That is crazy. Oh my God. Okay, I'll see you in a second. Oh my God, it ate a lot of the things. The dipping powder, it's still doing its bubbling thing. Okay, I wonder what happens if I put in the other part. Hold on a second. Okay, taste test time. What does it taste like? Ew. All I can taste is the powder right now. Tastes good on the thing. Okay, that's hot. Okay, let's do the other side. Okay, now we could try out the Mike and Ike's thing right there, the red stuff. Tastes good with the stick. Sorry if you hear that in the background. My mom was taking a shower. You know what my mom looks like. Now I'm eating the stick. Wow. Thank you for watching this video. I can't believe that happened. Bye.